Let's go through some of the questions that were asked from computers and ICT in the past paper for your NET paper 1. We have taken questions from different sets and different shifts. So let's go through some of the important questions. Now the first question talks about software. Now software is loaded into RAM, that is random access memory, not the ROM, which is the read-only memory, and this is loaded from a secondary storage which is outside, and then who executes it is CPU. So you have this as the right option. Now RAM chips are basically memory chips. They are used for storing data, program or program results, and therefore whenever software is loaded, it is loaded into RAM. The next is what is Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi is wireless fidelity, which is a set of standards that are there for using short range waves to allow computer devices to connect to a LAN or a internet. So that is how we complete this. Now Wi-Fi is important because it has a network management system, a good scalability. There is ability of measure performance. There is also mobile device management that could be done. Now here are some of the lists that you have to match. Now definitely search engines are which? Google and Yahoo are the search engines. System softwares, what are those? Windows and iOS are system softwares. High level languages are Java and C++, and then you have Web 2.0 applications which run on which you have the blogs and the twitters that run. So those are the correct matches. Now search engine is a software which is designed to carry web searches. System software is where you have the other application softwares that are loaded. For example, once you have Windows, you would have MS Office that would be loaded onto it. So Windows becomes your system software, and then MS Office becomes your application software. Then high level programming languages, so Java, C++, C Sharp, these are all high level programming languages. And applications, definitely blogs, Twitter are applications. The next is what is true about algorithm. So algorithm is a finite sequence of instructions which is implementable. So it is infinite becomes incorrect. It is expressed in a graphical form as flowchart, that is correct. And it is a programming language. It is expressed in a programming language in a computer program, that's again correct. But it may produce no output is incorrect, because algorithms are sequences to help you get or produce an output. So you would have B and C as the right option here. Now the next question is a direct question based on acronyms that we every time have. So this is CDMA, which is the code division multiple access, and this is where we have the channel access method which is used for radio communication technologies. So we have the CDMA design. The next is which of the following is the name for web page addresses. Now web page addresses are URL, and what is a URL? I say HTTPS and then I say www.examrace.com. So this is the URL, and this is located uniformly. So it is a uniform resource locator, and it consists of web browsers. Basically it is a unique identification to help you locate the resource that is there. So let's say there is an Almira and you want to locate in which section you have put a certain particular thing or a utensil, then you locate the URL. Okay, this is the section where you have the utensils. And similarly, it is a location that helps you to identify the location of the resource uniquely, and this is what is URL, or the uniform resource locator. The next is ISP, is internet service providers. So they basically allow the user to dial into the computers to connect it to the internet link for a given fee. So there are various ISP providers. For example, the service providers, for example, you have Airtel, you have Reliance Jio. So all these are ISPs and service providers. The next is which of the following is excluded from the domain of artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence works on machine learning, deep learning and computer vision. No idea of text is basically given. So anything related to fuzzy logic, robotics, expert systems, natural language processing are all part of artificial intelligence, and that is where we are moving towards into the next generation, which is known as Industrial Revolution 4.0. So it's a next phase of industrial revolution that we would be witnessing. The next is, which of the following is an application software? Now this is something that I already explained. Application softwares are the softwares which work on the system softwares. So here Android, iOS, Linux are all system softwares, and on this we have an application software that works, which is MS Word or MS Office. So these are application softwares. The next question is pretty interesting. Now, a research scholar writes his thesis using ICT at various stages. He justifies the conceptual error in interpreting the result, which is due to the specific ICT devices that he or she is using. Now, let's say the researcher is using iOS, and then he says in iOS, I do not have the option, let's say for Smart Chart, and that is an technical incompetency. So, technical incompetency is one of the reasons where you have the error that is attributed to a specific ICT device. Rather than being attributing it to the concept, it is being attributed to the ICT devices. So those were some of the kind of questions that were asked in your NET paper 1 examination for computers and ICT. We would be covering these questions in different categories in the coming lectures. So stay tuned for more updates from our side and many more interesting lectures in paper 1. Have a wonderful day ahead.